Hello, Patriots. This past year has been challenging for everyone. We've all had to put off things we enjoy. But now there's cause for optimism. I'm taking my shot for the future and hoping you do as well. So let's think about what we've missed most and start making plans now. So what are you looking forward to after you're vaccinated?
Once I'm vaccinated, I'm excited to hug my loved ones with no worries and hang out with my friends on campus.
Once vaccinated, I look forward to seeing my family, who I haven't seen in over a year and a half, and coming back to campus more often.
When I'm fully vaccinated, I'm most looking forward to going to a family member's wedding and enjoying time with loved ones.
Once I'm vaccinated, I'm excited to be able to travel and go see my grandparents. It's been over a year and a half, so I'm really looking forward to that.
COVID cases have remained low on Mason campuses. To help keep it that way and get our lives back to normal, it is essential that we are vaccinated. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to fight the spread of disease. They protect you, your loved ones, and your fellow patriots.
Once I'm fully vaccinated, I can't wait to go on family trips and see my grandparents.
So once I'm vaccinated, I'm really excited to go back to in-person classes to be able to socialize with my friends and family again.
Once I'm vaccinated, I'm just excited to be able to step out of my house and have peace of mind.
So don't let down your guard. Remember to continue wearing face coverings and social distance. And roll up those sleeves and get vaccinated.